waiting here for my next student in her driveway. Leah. Her first hour today. And as you can see, we have a bit of a snowstorm. So, how much driving experience have you had so far?
Not very much. Like, I've drove around Coniston.
Okay.
Because it's not really busy there, but that's about it. And I drove home from, I work at Coniston Valley Mart.
How to operate the windshield wipers here. We're going to need them today. So it's this arm, and if you just want to pass it once, you just up like that. Just passes it once or twice, whatever. I think it goes one more time. No, maybe it doesn't. Okay. And then if it's just like a light rain or whatever, you just put it on one down like this. That's intermittent, and there's different speeds. So that's fastest speed there. That's the slowest speed. And then if it's a steady rain but still light, it'll pass consistently at a slower speed. And then when it's coming down real hard, that's your last setting.
Okay.
And that's off. So for now, there's also the windshield washer fluid. You just pull the arm towards yourself, wash the window. And that's how that works. It's pretty simple.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's go ahead and make a left turn out of your driveway.
Okay.
Yeah, with the seatbelt on.
Yeah.
Of course, last but not least.
Okay. So is it already in drive? Or?
So right now it's in park, and you have so P up here, and you also have P there too, just in case the sunlight is reflecting off of here. You can't see this one, but you can see that one.
Yeah.
Or vice versa, depending. So you got two of them. And right now, so it's in park. Press the button, foot on the brake first, and then you press the button, put it into drive, or D. And there you go. And now when you don't want to release the brake completely, just a little bit at a time, just to get out of the driveway.
Okay.
It'll start moving, you don't need any gas.
Okay. I'm just gonna let the kid go by first.
Sure. Excellent. Yeah, a little bit of gas, there we go. And you know what, actually, let's just keep on rolling here.
Okay.
And if we just go forward here, you'll see there's a place to turn right. It's like a loop around.
Okay.
I think it's right here. Yeah. Okay, so this is flatter ground. We'll be able to adjust your side mirrors here now. So let's just stop right here for a minute.
That was a bit of a rough stop.
That's okay. You'll get used to it. Go ahead and put it in park. And press the button. There you go. Okay. So now notice, did you hear that little whir sound back there?
Yeah.
Like that engages your parking brake. It just automatically comes on. On your road test, if you're using this vehicle, what you'd have to do is verbalize when you put it in park. You say engage parking brake or something like that. You say parking brake, or whenever you put it in park, you use it.
Okay.
I don't know if are you using this car or?
I might. I'm
not sure. Okay. Well, whichever. Like, if you're using your own vehicle, make sure if it does have the lever, go ahead and use it.
Okay.
If it doesn't, if it has an automatic one like this, verbalize to them, say engage parking brake.
Okay.
Yeah. So they want to know that you know that you're supposed to use it.
Yeah.
We're just going to do very simple stuff today.
Okay.
Minor intersections with stop signs, yield signs, where to stop, how long to stop for, and who gets to go first. Yeah, so we have a little stop sign here. Really is a little stop sign too. It's smaller than the other ones. Like summertime, you're looking for a thick white line.
Yeah.
But if it's not visible, it doesn't exist. Therefore, we look for a different place to stop, and that would be before a sidewalk, if there is any. If not, then we could stop right at the edge of the road instead of at the stop sign. Go right out to the edge.
Okay.
And you can signal right. We're just going to go right around here. Yeah. We can actually head out to 2nd Avenue through here. We can go right through.
Okay.
So we'll keep going down the hill to the next stop sign. The steering.
Yeah.
because it's a new car for you. So.
Because I drove in my mom's Jeep, but.
Yeah, well, cool. The Jeep. Oh yeah, I remember the Jeep. Yeah.
Yeah, it's pretty different to drive, I think.
Then we're going to turn left over here. So go ahead and signal left. See, there's a little laneway here we could go in.
Yeah.
We have a pedestrian on the right. He may cross in front of us.
Okay.
So cover your brake. See where she goes. There we go. Okay. Not sure where she's trying to interpret what she's doing here. Yeah, we're good.
Okay.
And so this is going to be a two-way, and so there should be enough room for someone to come from the opposite direction.
Okay.
So here we yield. Excellent. And you could shuffle your hands around. I'm going to go counterclockwise around this circle here.
Okay.
Look out your side window. Look where you want to go. Keep steering. There you go. All right, we'll keep on going straight. Fun, eh?
Yeah.
Then we're going to make a right turn here on this street.
Okay.
So you can shuffle around the steering wheel. Signal right.
Okay.
That's about the timing of using your signal. Shuffling. And then this time here, it's another cul-de-sac, but this time we'll go around clockwise.
Okay.
The wrong way, basically. You wouldn't do that in the real world, but
Yeah.
you always go counterclockwise, right? The flow of the traffic. But here we'll just,
So this way.
yeah, just use this circle here to and shuffle that steering wheel, looking out the side window. Look over your right shoulder where you want to go.
Okay.
That's it. Yeah, right on. Okay. We're going to make a left turn at the yield sign here.
Okay.
That's a little too soon on the signal.
Oh yeah.
So maybe about one driveway or so before the corner. Oh, he's over here now. Okay, well, let's make a left turn here then. It's going to go back there.
Earlier?
No, that was fine. Where is he? Can't even see him. There he is. Good. Keep on going straight.
Okay.
Move over to your side of the road. And then on the gas. Good. Your turns are getting better.
Yeah.
Let's make a left turn here.
Okay.
Anything coming? Nope. So it's another cul-de-sac, and this time we'll go counterclockwise, go around that way.
Okay.
Look way over your left shoulder, where you want to go. Good. And we're going to turn left.
Okay.
Right to the edge of the road is where you stop. Because we don't have a sidewalk, nothing really visible there.
Yeah.
And then on the throttle, which is the gas pedal.
Okay.
I call it the throttle, I don't know why. My grandfather used to call it the throttle, so call it the throttle. Accelerator is the correct terminology for it.
Searching for greatness in a sea